among others. In the education sector, we have agreed to remove the hiccups, and we have agreed on affirmative action for Kenyan women and people living with disability. We have agreed on and signed county economic charters. We have developed an authentic, homegrown Kenya country plan from these charters. We thank the legendary Mama Mboga, boda, shoe shiner, saloonist, farmer, fisherman, hawker, and construction worker for this great achievement. You gave us a template from which we are going to deliver better living for all Kenyans. This is what gives us the confidence that we are together on the wishes and hopes of the majority of the people of Kenya. We have agreed that from day one in office, our work will be, among other things, to tackle the punitive cost of living so that each and every one of us can afford to go about their lives. We have agreed to reduce the cost of doing business so that industry can thrive, opportunity can abound, and opportunity for employment can be a reality. We have agreed to tackle runaway corruption, including state capture, budgeted corruption, and financial wastage. We have agreed that we will guarantee universal health coverage for all Kenyans, where each and one of us will have a cover, and the public hospitals will be stocked, and necessary equipment and medicines will be available. We've agreed that we will arrest the draining public debt through forensic identification of wasteful borrowing for non-essential expenditure, so as to reduce the snowballing high taxation. These measures will provide relief and space for initiation of the Kenya comprehensive flood programs. Other include the of our agricultural production for security process and manufacturing, including such as coffee, rice, sugar, macadamia, cotton, like farming, many others we discuss with citizens of Kenya when we engage them by economic fora. And as I said last, we reached out to close to 100,000 Kenyans economic fora. This training support for micro, small, and medium enterprises so that we can have access to credit. We can improve on their incomes. We can create additional jobs.
Tuna uhakika tutabadilisha Kenya.
Tunabadilisha Kenya mzima.
Inawezekana.
Vote Azimio, vote Baba na Martha and see our country conquer all the challenges we are facing. With Baba na Martha, inawezekana.
Collect fare kwa boda au matatu ukitumia ViewPay cashless na uqualify for bima ya 100,000 shillings pamoja na medical cover ya 20k na permanent disability cover ya 100k kwa 5 bob pekee. Dial *236# today to start using ViewPay cashless.
Tobake atene, toluwe wa gogo. Nyeri wetereri wa miaka 10 mukinyu tuthure ndagitari Thuo wa Mathenge niwe wa Ngũkũ atuike governor thibitarĩ citikanage ndawa. Nyeri ihure iganda anakeneritwo othe mandĩko mawĩra kũgĩe na main funds maĩ ma kũnyua na maũrĩmi brands cia goro ta Nyeri coffee, Nyeri tea, itũngũrũ hamwe na indo iria tũrĩmaga ciĩkwo variation. Mwendi wa Nyeri wothe ũtĩte aciari no tendaga itherũ na maica ma ciana citũ arathura wa Ngũkũ guothe Nyeri tũrathura wa Ngũkũ.
Andũ aitũ a Nyeri thurai tuthondeke utonga witu wa Nyeri na Ngũkũ.
Shabiki Jackpot Mbao wiki hii. Cheza mechi hizi ili ushinde 20,990,510 shillings. Shabiki Jackpot Mbao, the easiest jackpot